Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. आज हम सीखेंगे बेसिक एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। इन सेंटेंसेस से हम अपनी इंग्लिश को मज़ीद बेहतर कर सकते हैं। दोस्तों, वीडियो पसंद आए तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। तो चलें शुरू करते हैं आज का लेसन। हमारे पास पहला सेंटेंस है, वो हंसने लगी। She began to laugh. She began to laugh. वो रोने लगा। He began to weep. He began to weep. वो हाँफने लगा। He began to pant. He began to pant. वो भागने लगे। They began to run. They began to run. ये बहार थी। It was spring. It was spring. मौसम सरमा का मौसम था। It was winter. It was winter. वो रोना शुरू कर देगा। He will begin to weep. He will begin to weep. आज बारिश हो सकती है। It may rain today. It may rain today. वहाँ बहुत गर्मी है। It's very hot over there. It's very hot over there. बर्फ पड़ रही है। It's snowing. It's snowing. ये गरज रहा है। It's thundering. It's thundering. इसे कम करें। Reduce it. Reduce it. तेज बारिश हो रही है। It's raining heavily. It's raining heavily. बूंदाबांदी हो रही थी। It was drizzling. It was drizzling. मैं कैसे मुजरिम हूँ। How can I guilty? How can I guilty? मैंने खाना खा लिया है। I have eaten food. I have eaten food. झूठ बोलना गुनाह है। Telling a lie is a sin. Telling a lie is a sin. सूरज ग़ुरूब नहीं हुआ। The sun has not set. The sun has not set. आप कैसे जाएंगे। How will you go? How will you go? मुझे तैयार होने दो। Let me get ready. Let me get ready. तुम कहाँ गए थे। Where did you go? Where did you go? वो कहाँ गए थे। Where have they gone? Where have they gone? तुमने क्या किया। What have you done? What have you done? जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं। There is no need to go. There is no need to go. वहाँ कितने लोग थे। How many people were there? How many people were there? क्या तुम्हारे पास कलम है। Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? मुझे कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं। I have no idea. I have no idea. क्या तुम इसे पहचानते हो। Do you recognize him? Do you recognize him? वो मुझे बेवकूफ़ बना रही है। She is making me fool. She is making me fool. वो पढ़ने गया है। He has gone to read. He has gone to read.